Wow. Binance now bought a total of 36.98 billion Teuna Classic LUSD coins. Yes, Binance have now bought a total of 36 billion 980 million coins. Binance are now approaching 40 billion bonds. Binance alone, for me, I think they really tried. If not Teuna Classic trading volume that have been dropping, the last 3 burning of Teuna Classic by Binance would have destroyed or would have hit about 40 billion bonds. Yes, the 13th round monthly burning for Teuna Classic, which Binance always burn maybe every month. I think Binance have really contributed a lot. Binance have really helped Teuna Classic coin to stand still, to still remain among the top 100 crypto coins. All these things is because of Binance. Yes, Binance are contributing much towards seeing Teuna Classic succeed, towards seeing Teuna Classic stays alive. And for me, I think they deserve so many praises. Now, for me, Teuna Classic coin need more exchanges to start burning, just like the way Binance is burning Teuna Classic coin. Let's assume we have 5 exchanges that are burning like Binance. I believe right now, Luna would have started reaching 0.01. By now, Teuna Classic must have hit at least 200 billion bonds, okay? Because if Binance alone can burn almost 40, I believe 5, 6, 7 exchanges that are also listed Teuna Classic that promise to keep on supporting Teuna Classic LUSD coin, by now they would have burned almost 200 billion. But since many of the exchanges have been burning below 1 billion, some have burned just below 200 million. Well, for now, Binance are the leading exchange. Binance are the leading burner of Teuna Classic, and let's hope for the best. And I believe that 36.98 billion bonds by Binance will soon hit over 40 billion bonds. Yes, Binance promised they will keep burning Teuna Classic LUSD, but I still see Binance hitting 50 billion bonds between now till December if Teuna Classic start doing well. But if Luna continues the way they have been trading with a very low trading volume, from now to the end of the year, I see Binance hitting just over 40 or 42 billion bonds for Teuna Classic. But no matter how it is, I think Binance have really contributed a lot towards seeing Teuna Classic succeed. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.